Tonight, we'll be discussing the hot topic of nationalizing football players for Indonesian national team. And there are a strong opinion on both sides, especially for pro and contra side. And let's hear them out. First, for Mr. Cahyo here, you are a big supporter, as I know, as the data that I have got it. And can you tell us why you are so support for the nationalized players, especially for football players in Indonesia? Absolutely. Look, Indonesia needs to improve on the international stage. And right now, we lack players with the experience and skill to compete. And we can't wait for young players to develop. We need results right now. And think about like France and Germany. They've successfully integrated talented players. And one of the players like Diego Costa. Imagine we have Diego Costa for playing for us, especially. He'd bring experience, leadership, and a winning mentality, especially, that would inspire our young players. And let's not forget for the fans, especially, seeing Indonesia on the world stage would be a huge boost to national pride, and it would also attract more investment into the sport, and it which is eventually benefit youth development programs. And nationalization is a deep or is a step towards a stronger future, not ignoring it. Thanks, Cahyo, for the opinion. And now for the Budi. You seem to have a different opinion. And can you tell us for your different perspective? I do. While I understand the desire for immediate success, neglecting our own talent pool isn't the answer. And nationalized players can take opportunities away from young Indonesian players and discouraging them and hindering their development. And wouldn't it be more sustainable to invest in our academies? Imagine the impact if we had better infrastructure, coaching, and scouting programs, and we could unearth hidden gems and nurture them into world-class players, just like other countries do. And more importantly, national pride comes from a team built with home ground. And we need a team that truly reflects the spirit of Indonesia. A team fans can deeply connect with. And bringing in a player just for a quick fix might win some games, but it won't build a solid foundation for the future. Interesting point for Budi and also for Cahyo. And how do you address concerns about neglecting youth development? I think a balanced approach is a key. Nationalized player can be part of the solution, not the problem. And they can mentor our young players and push them to compete and rise the overall level of international stage. And this can create more competitive environment, especially in our league, especially, and make the players more competitive, more yeah, I can say more competitive than right now. And yeah, I think that's all for neglecting youth development. Okay, for Budi, any thoughts that? It's true, nationalized players can potentially contribute to development, but we cannot, what can we say here? Oh, no, not we cannot, but we need to ensure that investment in youth programs doesn't just become a way to justify nationalization, and we need accountability for those funds and a clear focus on nurturing our own future stars. Excellent point from both sides. The key seems to be finding a solution that benefits both immediate performance and long-term development, and perhaps exploring alternative strategies like focusing on youth development programs for countries with strong Indonesian diaspora population could also be considered. And thank you for the time for Mr. Cahyo and Mr. Budi, and see you on the next video.